Hello friends, welcome back to AJAX tutorial using PHP MySQLi. In this video, I will explain how to insert data into database using AJAX, jQuery, PHP and MySQLi. Last video, I will show you how to get data using the AJAX. So let's see the codes so you can understand easily. Let's make a small, open the index.php files. So I already show you index.php file inside like get data function wise we can call the function.php file. Inside type is equal to list, we have passed the get method, so you can see it inside a function.php. Inside you can see it like type is equal to list, so you can get the data to users tables, and also we have made a here database connection. So in this video we can make like a add data, how to create a add data. So we make a here the add button. After you click on the add button, so we can open the pop-ups and pop-up after you can submit. So we can submit. Once you can submit, so we need to save the data inside database. Now automatic refresh, you can get data here. So let's start. So we can open our index.php files. Inside let's make a sum here bootstrap div, because we already had a plugin, so we need to make a button about add. So class is equal to row, and inside we can pass like a div call md6 inside users, and here we can pass add button, so styles text align rights. So let's refresh the page. Okay, so you can see it here, not button found, but let's make a here button. So let's go to find out the bootstrap model. So let's go to bootstrap website, bootstrap models. I search, go to first links, so you can see it here. Just go down, I think we can use it, this one I click on, so you can open the model. So let's copy and put here, and you can type add users here, add users. Also you can type here add users, because this is the target to models. Now let's go to back again and copy these models and open the codes, and I will put here. Okay, so just change to add users titles, and we can change to example model to change to add users. Okay, let's go back to websites and refresh the page. So you can see it here, menu showing add user. I click, so it's showing the models. Let's make some design proper way, because designs looks like not better. So I will make a margin top some margin for 20%. This is the only I can explain how to make a listing. So it's not design parts, but just you can see it how to AJAX works, add, edit and delete. But right now I'm doing the add function. So we just need to remove, we don't need, and just we need to make a S2, so it's going to be big font. Let's go back, refresh, and so you can see it, add users. Let's create some here like our form like a name, email, mobile and address, so we can add here. So let's back to code again, and here I will create a one form. So form. Okay, so let's down, method is equal to action blank, method is equal to post, and we can do id submit form, because we need to call using AJAX. So I can type submit form. Here we can use like div class form group. Inside we can make like label name. Inside we can do like input box, input type is equal to text, and name is equal to name, and also is a class is equal to form controller, and required field, because we need to make a required. So let's copy all like name, email, phone and address. Name, so just copy and put here email, and you can put your name with emails. Also type is equal to type emails. After mobiles and address, so let's make it mobiles, your mobiles, make a smaller letter mobile. Here you can type address, and also you can pass here address, and let's save changes to make a submit. Submit, and you can change to here submit. Sorry, some mistake. Okay, I'm back. I refresh the page. I click on the add user, so you can see it, our form is completed. Now we click on the submit button. So this is all the data we need to pass using the server. We need to pass inside AJAX, AJAX to pass inside server. So 1 minute, I just doing some. Okay, now let's create a jQuery function like a submit events. So go back, and we can create here submit event. So just you can click the form submit ID. Delegate, we can use a body, we can use a delegate function, so we know. Okay, delegate submit form submit function. Here we can pass like event e dot prevent default. So form impossible refresh. This reason we have typed e dot prevent default. Let's back and check. Now we can refresh, add forms. I submit. Let's make autofill all the fields. Okay, I click submit. So you can see the data not refreshing, means not refresh the pages. Let's go back again, and we can type here our AJAX code. Let's go only down and copy and put it like that. Type is equal to post URL function, and type is equal to, we can pass here add, and data type is equal to JSON, and just remove this line, we don't need line, and we can pass here our data. So data we can pass inside AJAX. So data, so we need to make a serialize our form. So this means for this form. So this is the form ID we have provided here. So inside all the name value we can serialize here. Serialize here. So this dot serialize. Okay, so this is the data going to function. Inside type is equal to add. So let's open the function. So we already created like list function. So now we need to create another else if here add. So let's create a else if. I just copy and I put here else if, and I can put here add, and I will create here insert record functions. So let's first print out $post, printer $post, and I can check. Now go to websites and refresh the page and open your spec elements. Okay, now let's add form, means add users, fill all data, and after I can submit. So you can see it, one AJAX column means AJAX calling like a localhost AJAX tutorial inside function.php inside type is equal to add. So let's go to response. So you can see it, name, emails, mobiles, address, all the field data seeing same like whatever you add inside your form. Okay, now we can create a insert function. So let's go to our database and we can go to SQLs and click on the insert. So we can get this query. Just copy this query back to code again and create a one variable name $SQL. So put inside. So query is ready now. We don't need an ID, so just remove the ID. Okay, now value 1. So we need to pass like here. We need to pass here like our name. So $post is equal to name. Same thing we need to pass after value inside. Value 2 inside we need to pass like a email. And let's copy paste like other field also. Years, and we don't need last field. Okay, and we need also date field. So let's date ymd because we need to make a format. This is the one type of PHP function date. Okay, now we can change here email to emails, mobile to mobiles, and address to address. Now this data we need to store in our database, and I have already made a database connection. You can see it, server name, username, password, and database. And also I have a include here database connection. So we need to use our connection inside here. So let's make a one condition. If $con means this is the variable, I copy this variable name, query $SQL is equal to true. So going inside means database entry perfect, otherwise going to else part, and we can type two message $JSON status is equal to true. We can make small letter, and here you can pass message record successfully added, and else part we can pass false, and we can do here due to some error please try again. Due to some error please try again. Now bottom we can pass like a echo JSON enter because we are passing all the result JSON wise. So data type we have used JSON here. You can see it. So you can see it. Here we did the insert query after we are database entry, and suppose database entry next success. So we pass this message true, record successfully added. Otherwise database entry is not correct. So it's going to else part. So let's handle this is all the response in here. So let's try is working not working. Go to websites, refresh the page. So this is the data automatic found using the AJAX. You can see it here. Like click on the add users. Let's make autofill records. I click on the submit. So you can see status is equal to true, record successfully added. Let's refresh the page. We can check is the add 8 there, not there. So you can see it 8 is there. Now without refresh we need to show here data which need to show successfully record added this message. So let's go to back to code, and we can write here our code. If data dot success means data dot status is equal to true, so going to insert, otherwise going to else part. So we need to show here our message. So alert data dot message, whatever we are passing here. So we are passing data dot message, so just showing data dot message. And also you can see here, so due to some error please try again, like this message we can show here. Okay, let's try now back to websites and refresh the page, and we can open, so we can opens and we can autofill. I click in the submits. So you can see record successfully added because here is a found the result. Oh sorry, here let's close this one. Here you can found the result, it is true, and message also found. So showing record successfully added. Now this is the model automatic hides. Also we need to show here new entry. So let's go to back to code again, and here we can write like a message like not a message, we can here we can write like how to hide model function like $hash. So which one? Add users, just put here dot model is equal to add. So data model means add. Also we need to call get data function. So just you can put this copy and put here because we have already created get data function. So let's refresh and check working not working. Okay, I refresh the page. Right now 10 entries. So I add users, I have autofills. So here you can see list AJAX call. Now let's submit. So you can see adds. I just click on the OK. So model also adds. And why is not calling? Let's see again. Oh, because I have not saved this file this reason. Okay, let's go back and refresh. So again same process. I will submit and the message showing. I click on the OK. So you see it like a new record automatic found without refresh the page. So right now I show you how to add user using the AJAX. Let's clear all the fields. Once you can make a submit, so we need to clear the fields. So let's back again codes, and we need to add new class here, clear data. Okay, so just put like this class, and once you can found the success message, so you need to clear like a dollar. Okay, now so what we have did, first we have added like one class here, every place, name, email, mobile address, and after we did here value is equal to null pass inside AJAX calls success response. So let's go to back and refresh the page and adds, let's autofills, submits. So you can see it, new entry found. I click on the add user, so is a value is gone because now you can add a new entry, same like this. Record explaining added. So in this video I will show you how to add how to insert data using the AJAX, jQuery and PHP MySQLi. Next video we can do like edit functions, so you can edit for specific record. We can get the data, after we can show inside forms like same like this forms, edit users, and after you can submit. So this is the record here, update, and after we can create another video for delete using the AJAX without refresh. So do you want to like this video? Please like, and do you want to show like this more video? Please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.